Welcome to the channel, your aviation knowledge hub. Today we're diving into the world of flight operations and a crucial concept in modern air navigation, RVSM, or Reduced Vertical Separation Minimum. This system revolutionized high-altitude airspace by allowing more aircraft to safely occupy the skies. So, buckle up as we explore how RVSM works, what equipment is needed, and what certifications are required. Flight operations cover all aspects involved in planning, dispatching, executing, and monitoring a flight. This includes route planning, aircraft performance calculations, fuel planning, airspace coordination, weather assessment, ATC communication. Flight operations are supported by teams including flight dispatchers, operations officers, ground handlers, and flight crew. RVSM stands for Reduced Vertical Separation Minimum. Traditionally, aircraft flying above flight level 290 had to be separated by 2,000 feet vertically. With RVSM, that separation is reduced to 1,000 feet, allowing more efficient use of the airspace between flight level 290 and flight level 410. This increases traffic capacity, saves fuel, reduces emissions, and improves flight efficiency. RVSM relies on extremely accurate altitude keeping by aircraft. It requires all aircraft flying in RVSM airspace to maintain altitude with a very narrow tolerance, typically within plus or minus 75 feet. ATC monitors aircraft using radar surveillance, ADSB, and transponder modes. If an aircraft cannot meet the precision required due to failure or equipment issues, it must exit RVSM airspace. To operate in RVSM airspace, an aircraft must be equipped with aircraft equipment, two independent altitude measurement systems, one autopilot capable of controlling altitude precisely, one altitude alerting system, one SSR transponder with Mode C or Mode S, RVSM compliant air data computers, ADC, ground support equipment, air traffic control radar systems with conflict alert flight planning systems supporting RVSM routes, height monitoring units, HMUs, used in some FIRs to verify aircraft compliance. Aircraft must have a letter of authorization, LOA, or RVSM approval from the Civil Aviation Authority, e.g. FAA, EASA, TC. The certification verifies that the aircraft is equipped with RVSM required systems. Systems have been tested and meet accuracy standards. Pilot certification. Pilots must complete RVSM specific training. They must understand RVSM procedures, failure protocols, altitude monitoring, and contingency operations. Pilots also need to follow strict pre-flight and in-flight checklists related to RVSM. Here are some common aircraft types certified for RVSM. Commercial jets, Boeing 737, 747, 757, 767, 777, 787. Airbus A320 family, A330, A350, A380. Regional jets, Embraer E-Jets, E170, E190. Bombardier CRJ Series Business. All of these must meet the RVSM requirements to be approved. If a required RVSM system fails mid-flight, the crew must inform ATC immediately. ATC will either assign a non-RVSM altitude or provide lateral separation. Pilots must also file a post-flight report with their flight operations unit and maintenance. RVSM has transformed the way we manage airspace at high altitudes. It improves efficiency, reduces delays, and supports the growing global air traffic. But it comes with strict operational requirements and demands precise pilot training and system reliability. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flight Disp for more aviation insights and tutorials. Fly smart, stay safe, and see you in the next video.